turn, dash lights glow, blue over steel from a long time ago. Frame still black, paint still clean, old Ford blood in a gasoline dream. OBS line, square light face, chrome still sitting in its factory place. 302 or 351, old Ford thunder when the cold starts done. Bark and a 5.8 growl, air and nose Ford with a back road howl. 7.3 clatter, turbo whine, low mile proof from a better time. Clean frame, cold start, square headlights, no rust, no lies, just chrome in the light. Old Ford blood, hear that V8 sing. Clean old trucks, yeah, that's a Bronco King thing.
Just look at the paint.
Factory bones still rolling by, blue over steel that money can't buy. Low miles, clean lines, cold start rain. That's not just a truck, that's a Bronco King thing.